day, students. Our lesson for today is Be Clean and Healthy, the second part. In the previous video, we have learned how to keep our body clean and also our surrounding. Children, what do humans need to stay healthy? Our body, that is your body, can do a lot of things, many kinds of things to keep it working at its best. You need to look after it by staying healthy. Being healthy helps make sure you feel good, and it means that you are less likely to get sick. It also helps you to do more fun activities, and it may help you live longer. In today's video, we shall discuss what you can do to be healthy. To begin with, let's focus on eating habits. We know that all living things need food to stay alive. Have you ever wondered why this is? Can you think of a time you felt hungry? How did it make you feel? Yes, your tummy rumbled. You felt tired and grumpy, or maybe you found it hard to concentrate. Why do you think we feel this way when we are hungry? Well, just like a car needs fuel to make its engine work properly, our bodies need food to be able to work properly as well. Food provides nourishment for our body, which is very important for its growth and development. It provides the much needed energy for carrying out different activities throughout the day. In science, the lesson Food We Eat, you all have learned the importance of a balanced diet and what happens if you eat junk food. Healthy food is good for our body. It makes us feel good and it gives us lots of energy. Unhealthy food is not good for our body. It gives us too much of fat, sugar and no nutrients. Fruits, vegetables, grains and dairy and also meat. Dairy as in the milk products. And meat is all healthy food. Food that makes us fat, lazy, tired all the time is unhealthy food or junk food like pastry, chocolates and chips. Simple ways to eat healthy food and stay fit are: drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Please remember to wash them before eating. Chew your food properly. Drink lots of water. Water is very important. Do not eat junk food or too much of snacks. Now students, I want you to take a fresh page of your notebook and write the title as food. Okay? Now draw a standing line, that's a vertical line, and divide the page into 2 parts forming 2 columns. Okay? Now name the first column as healthy and the other one as junk. Different variety of food will be displayed on the screen and you have to write them, that is the word of what food it is. You have to write it down in the correct column in your notebook. You may even pause the video as when you are about to write down the words. For example, the first is mango. This is just an example. Now after looking at this picture mango, you know it is a mango. Now mango is a fruit and so it is healthy food. So you have to write the word mango in the healthy food column. Okay, so the word mango will come in the healthy food column. So let's begin. Okay, your first word, your first picture is carrots. Number 2, candy. Number 3, bananas. The fourth one is fizzy drinks. Fizzy drinks are like soft drinks. Number 5 is fries. French fries. Number 6, pastry. Number 7, broccoli. Number 8, burger. Next, number 9, milk. Number 10, roti or chapati. Next, fish. Next we have donuts. Number 13 is yogurt. Number 14, pizza. And your last picture is number 15, that is eggs. Students, I hope you enjoyed this activity. At the end of this video, I will give you the correct answers. Moving on, we know that food gives us energy. That is the energy to do work and also to play. Another most important thing is keeping fit. And how is that possible? Keeping fit means to exercise regularly, do yoga and play games. Outdoor games. Outdoor games make us healthy, strong and active. Football, hockey, cricket, basketball, etc. all examples of outdoor games. Playing outdoor games can be lots of fun, but it is important to take care of a few things. Now I'll tell you which are the few things that we need to take care of. Number 1, do not play outside when it is very hot. You may fall ill. Second one, always carry water with you when you are playing outdoors. Cover yourself well when you go out to play during winter. Come back home before it gets dark. It is not safe to be out after it is dark. Next, indoor games. Indoor games make our brain sharp. They help us improve our concentration, keep our mind alert, and also help us to keep our focus intact. Example of indoor games are Ludo, Carom, playing cards, chess. All these are examples of indoor games. Students, you must have heard the saying, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Yes, we cannot spend all our time working and studying. We would get tired and even bored at times. Along with keeping our body healthy, we have to keep our mind healthy too. With regular exercise, you will feel less stressed. You will feel less stressed. You will feel better about yourself. You will be more ready to learn in school. Keep a healthy weight. You will be able to build and keep healthy bones and muscles and joints. Sleep better. You'll be able to sleep better at night. Exercising together can be fun for everyone. Walking, cycling, dancing, bowling and yoga are some ways in which you kids can get a lot of exercise. Moving on, yoga. Yoga is an ancient form of exercise for a healthy mind and body. It is very safe practice which brings balance between the body, mind and soul. Yoga involves many breathing techniques and meditating exercises. Just 10 to 12 minutes of yoga every day brings a lot of positive changes in our body. Every year on the 21st of June, International Yoga Day is celebrated. Why? To spread the importance and benefits of yoga. So students, remember to exercise regularly, and with exercise and yoga, what happens is it makes our bones and muscles strong. Many of us bend forward while reading or walking. We do not keep our back straight when we sit or stand. That is why exercise and yoga is very important. They help us to learn the right way to sit, stand and lie down. They keep us healthy and disease free. Can you see some correct postures here? He's leaning forward. This fellow is standing straight. The correct way to sit. Let's move on. Sleep. Taking rest is also necessary for our body. Sleep gives rest to our body and it relaxes our mind. We should sleep for at least 8 hours every night. Going early to bed is a good habit. It will help you to wake up early in the morning. If you get a nice sound sleep, you will be able to concentrate better on your work. You will feel fresh and active after proper rest. Students, we live in a world where everyone is in a hurry. We do not have time for ourselves and we are all the time worried and tensed. We find it difficult to be cool and calm. That is why it is important to be happy. You should have friends who are like you and who enjoy each other's company. You should talk about your problems to your elders and not keep it to yourself. You should keep aside some time, that is some quality time for yourself and your family. Play games with your siblings and other family members. Follow a hobby or even an activity that gives you a feeling of well-being, achievement and happiness. Follow a physical activity or a sport or maybe even a brisk walk or a jog. Finally, the most important thing is to be thankful to God for a healthy body, calm mind and everything that you have. Now students, I will give you the answer key for the activity on healthy and junk food. Now, in healthy food we have carrots, bananas, broccoli, milk, roti, fish, yogurt, eggs. All of these come under healthy food. In junk food we have candy, fizzy drink, fries, pastry, burger, donuts and pizza. I hope you enjoyed today's video students. I pray that all of you are blessed with good health, body and mind. Thank you students. Don't worry, be happy and keep learning.